Thank God.
I told you I saw something the other day.
Hey.
They're definitely like drones.
Yeah, they are, look.
Space GPS.
Hey, come out the way so I can get in there.
Alright.
They're like got a hole in the middle of them.
It's definitely got to be a drone.
Look, there's loads of them. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, look, you've got those like really small ones as well.
Oh, that is weird. I'm serious. That is.
Keep what I found.
Look.
At all costs.
There's 5 up there.
There's 4.
There's 5.
There's 5.
Oh yeah, there is 5. Yeah. Can you see the hole in them? There's like a hole in the middle of them.
Yeah.
I need to film them properly. Actually, look.
Sounds like a deal.
What's going on here?
Do you remember that one that we saw?
I can't even see them on here no more. Why can't I see them on here no more? There they are. Look, they're like flipping round. Oh my God.
What the hell is that? Looks like they're coming closer anyway.
Midfield. Plus, honestly, I have to get out of the garage before Morgan takes it sledding.
Oh, it's so annoying. I can't get. I'm gonna try and zoom in even more.
I have no idea. But we saw one the other day, no word of a lie, Amy. It was from up there, and it was one on its own. But the
I thought it was a seagull, didn't I?
We are getting.
Yeah, and I said to you,
See it? Did you see the middle of it? It's like they got a hole in the middle of it.
Yeah. They just like hover.
That is the weirdest thing I've ever seen.
They're floating away.
Yeah, but can you see they've got a hole in the middle of them? Like when they flip round, they got a hollow.
The other two are well high up.
A hollow hole.
We've got some aliens quite close to us.
They're not those lanterns, are they?
No.